If you want to enhance your security by removing old devices from your American Express account, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the American Express website or open a mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Services or Profile section. Look for an option labeled Security Settings or Manage Devices. Step 3. View Registered Devices. In the Security Settings, find the list of devices currently registered to your account. This section will display all devices that have access to your account. Step 4. Select devices to remove. Review the list and identify any old or unused devices. Click on the option to remove or unlink these devices from your account. Step 5. Confirm removal. After selecting the devices you wish to remove, confirm your choice. You may be prompted to enter your password or complete a verification step to finalize the removal. By following these steps, you can ensure that only your current devices have access to your American Express account, enhancing your security.